Hi friends, this is Jafar Ahmed from Tech Mirror for you, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to get an Aadhaar card, that is e-Aadhaar card, and as well as a plastic Aadhaar card online. So let us start the process. So you have to enter this website like eaadhaar.uidai.gov.in. Then you have, if you want to download this e-Aadhaar, you can download it by providing your enrollment ID or else by using Aadhaar card. So when you select enrollment ID, you should give the enrollment ID number along with your full name, PIN code, as well as the verification image text, and you should provide the mobile number which is linked with your Aadhaar card so that you will get a one-time password. And after you enter your one-time password over here. When you click on this validate and download, you could download your Aadhaar card easily. So now coming to the other way, you can download it by giving your Aadhaar card number along with your full name, PIN code, as well as your mobile number over here, and you can validate it download here. So after downloading you will be downloading a PDF file with your e-Aadhaar card details. So if you want to open that file, you have to enter your area's PIN code. Okay, so now let us go how to get a plastic Aadhaar card online. So this is a website where you can get a plastic Aadhaar card printed, and it will be sent to your address. So the website is portal.printmyaadhaar.com. So here you have to register in order to log in and upload your e-Aadhaar card in order to get the plastic Aadhaar card. First of all, you have to enter your register here by entering your full name along with your mobile number, email address, and as well as you have to create a password to enter this site. So I have already created a login, and I already applied for a plastic Aadhaar card over here. So I'm directly uploading my details. So you see it's logged in, and here I have already ordered an Aadhaar card. So here you can see your orders over here. So you can see that you can enter how many cards do you need. So along with your PIN code, you have to enter your PIN code. Suppose I am from Hyderabad, so I am entering my PIN code as 72, and you can calculate the price. It's estimated that shipping charges are 48 rupees along with the printing charge for one card is 50 rupees. So total along with tax and payment charges, it's total of 108 rupees. So after that you have to, here you can see upload either Aadhaar PDF file over here. So you can choose file and upload the file along with your PIN code and your name that is on the Aadhaar card and the number of copies you need, and you need to check this box in order to agree to the terms and conditions, and you need to upload after that. So after uploading, it will be shipped to your address. Along with your address, you have to give the shipping details, and order summary will be given to you, and you can make a payment through online. So I already have made a payment, so I can check my orders over here. So you can see that I have ordered this on 31st January, and my order number is 26615. Over here it says that printing is completed. So this is 120 rupees. Okay, so I can track my order over here, like I'm pasting my number, and you can see that printing is completed, and here is the status of the total. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.